Now suppose we have three vectors. We want to add three vectors. Okay. Again, we will follow the similar steps. Okay. When we are going more than two vectors, now we are going towards the polygon law of vector addition. Okay. Suppose we have vector A, vector B, and vector C. One vector is here. This is vector A. This is vector B. We want to add these three vectors. Okay. So all these are free vectors. All these are free vectors. So we have to arrange these vectors in order. To find the resultant of these vectors, we have to arrange these vectors in order. So what do? We move the vectors in such a way that they come in order. So we move this vector to this place like this. This is P, and then we move this vector here. So the resultant of these vectors will be given by this vector. This is R. Okay?
Yeah.
Now we have two ways to find the resultant. We first add A and B. If we add A and B, then we have this vector, and this is A plus B. And then I add this vector and C vector to get R. Okay? So then I will write vector R is equal to vector A plus vector B plus vector C. Now another way of doing the same thing is I add B and C first. I add B and C first, and then I add A to it. So this is vector B plus vector C, and then I add A to it. So I get resultant as A plus vector B plus vector C. Since R is same, resultant is same, means this or this, whichever way I proceed. So I can write vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to vector A plus vector B plus vector C.
Yeah.
What this law of addition is known as?
Commutative?
Associative.
Of.
A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is commutative, and this one is associative. So this is associative. This law states if you have two or more vectors, you can take any two vectors and start summing up. Okay, take any two vectors, get the result, then take one more vector, sum it up, get the result, take one more vector, sum it up, get the result, and proceed like this till you add all the vectors. So associative law of addition is also followed by vector addition. So this is called polygon law of vectors. So if you have more vectors, you can continue the same way and get the result.